put in this with multi-port fuel injection. So we're running around 2,200 RPMs. See the gas gauge works just a little over half tank. It is an air vehicle, but air is inoperable at this time. So here you can see it's misting a little bit today. This come out of Washington, so nice clean vehicle. Them vehicles out of there are not many rust issues. Just had a repaint on it, looks good. Got, as you can see, the custom hood. Dash is in good shape. So definitely a Blazer that will get you some attention. Got custom steering wheel. It's like a lot of these custom steering wheels, they don't line up very good. Drives good. There you can see I'm not even touching the steering wheel. It's going straight down the road. So just aftermarket steering wheel misalignment there. So, and you can put a new. I think you can buy them new or find a used factory steering wheel. Shift points here for you. Nice solid first to second shift. Second to third. Takeoff with a fuel injected 383, so pretty cool Blazer. So if you're looking for a nice square body Blazer, give me a call, 605-695-7391.